me a hoe if you got your funky bus fare. Double Dutch bus coming down the street, moving dirty fast, so kinda shuffle your beach. Get on the bus, pay your fare, then tell a driver that you're going to a double Dutch affair. Well, I'll be darned. Here it comes, the double Dutch bus is on the street. You better keep on move your bus fare, transfers, that's the way my money makes. Ain't got no problem, get around. That now that's my trick. That's a number change, but I'm really no shoes to blame. If you got a way, you know I'm right. You got a special man, well I can understand. Uptown, downtown, everybody's getting down. Say uptown, say downtown. Well, I missed my bus. I know I'm late. I gotta do something I know I hate. I'm gonna walk to work. 15 bucks, I already got a hole in my socks. So ahead and laugh. That's okay, cause what I really wanna say, I got bad feet. My corns hurt. Just top it off. Ain't for work. Let me tell you what I say when I'm dealing with a funky sidewalk. And let me show you how when I gotta do my funky walk. Let me tell you what I say when I'm dealing with a funky sidewalk. I say, sugar. Bill's Arbor, Bill's Harry, Bill's Eddie, Bill's Sam, Bill's Zombie, Bill's Harris, Bill's Zombie, that's my man, come on.